thought I'd give you a quick film today of the chopper. What I'm doing here today, I'm driving this chopper here. It's pumping her out. I'll just give you an overview in a second. That's what she looks like blowing in there. There's the truck. Goes for a collie. This is the machine. Ooh. What's going on? She's full on here. Anyway, that's it going up there. She's blowing. Anyway, don't forget to like what I'm doing. Don't forget to tick the like and subscribe. And we'll talk soon. We'll film later in the day. Thanks. See ya.